Welcome to the Heroku to AWS Migration Assessment Tool by Business Compass. This tool helps you understand exactly what it takes to migrate your Heroku application to AWS. You have two options to get started. If you have a Heroku API key, you can connect directly and will automatically analyze your apps. You can choose your apps one at a time. Or if you prefer our manual configuration option to enter your app details yourself. Today we will be trying the manual configuration. Let's walk through the manual options. Here are a few presets. I will choose full stack with jobs. Name your application. Choose your region. Add or subtract any dynos that you might have. Add-ons, build packs. Click Generate Assessment. Once you submit, we'll generate a comprehensive migration assessment. You'll see a complexity score that tells you how challenging your migration will be, low, medium, or high. You can unlock the full report by providing your name and email. Here's the complexity score on what makes your app more complex. On the left-hand side, we have your current Heroku configuration, and on the right, your equivalent AWS services. Postgres matches the Amazon RDS. Your dynos translate to AWS Fargate with recommended CPU and memory specs. Scroll down to see your step-by-step migration plan, broken into different phases. When you're ready to migrate, if you need a little help, feel free to schedule a free discovery call, 15 minutes, and you'll speak with one of our migration specialists. Try it now at heroku-migration.businesscompassllc.com.